reverse fly. So for this exercise, we're again going to be using a little bit of equipment. So I've got 2 dumbbells here. You can use 2 water bottles to do the exact same job. For this, we're going to be in a standard squat position. So I want your feet about shoulder width apart, feet tracking forward, knees always align with the toes. From here, you're going to have a little bit in the knees, and we're going to bend and hinge forward from the hips. Try and keep that back tight and straight and the core engaged. From here, you're going to have your hands in front of your chest, and we're going to bring the dumbbells or the water bottles up and out in line with the shoulders. So we're going to come up as far as we can towards the ceiling, keeping that back nice and straight, the core engaged, and trying to bring those dumbbells up as high as we can. From the front, looks like this. Again, bending forward, we're coming up and out as high as we can, trying to keep those hands aligned with the shoulders, not coming too far forward or coming too far back. Try and track them in line with the shoulder.